Good morning, guys. We will get started in about 5 minutes. All right, so I am here. I'm just on mute as always. We will get started at 8:30. See you in a bit. Hi, for those who joined, I will be starting in 3 minutes. Post some questions, all that, guys. I'll get back to you in a bit. All right, like up the stream. See you in a minute. All right, what up, guys? Hello. Let me get through Twitter and then I'll go through you guys. All right, very weak, slow pre-market. I'm expecting it to be like this for obviously the next 2 days, the remainder of the month, and then till election. So yeah, we'll see how trading does go. I probably will just be chilling, to be honest with you. I'm not really in any rush. Just everyone's kind of just on hold, just until what's going to happen with elections. That's just how the market is, time of the year. We get these situations, and that's what happens. That's the cycle of the market. So yeah, it is what it is. JL needs 0.83 break. Needs 0.83 under break. BKYI. Let me have a look. JL second. bear with me, guys. I see every single one of your messages. I see everyone, so just bear with me. I'm just going through Twitter and I'll get to you guys, all right? In the meantime, like up the stream and all those great fun things. But yeah, you'll also notice what happens is when when the market's slow and we have these ongoing issues, or just any situations in the market or current life events, you'll see that a lot of times the market's very quiet. Okay, that's because they are waiting. All the big investors, the hedge funds, right? Retail traders, yes, some of them are trading, but a lot of times they usually just wait for kind of the news to happen, and then from there they'll trade, since they can get a better direction. It's just the way it is, to be honest with you. It's not the best. It's not. For me, I just prefer, I like when the market's like this because it allows me to focus on my movers, but you'll just see pre-market's very slow, the market overall slow, there will only be a few runners, you know, you'll see Twitter's very quiet, all those kind of things, because, right, because of the hesitation right now. Or not hesitation, just everyone's just chilling. ASPI's on around. DATS. Let me check DATS out. DATS. DATS is down 14%, 15%. I would never touch this stock at all unless it breaks above here. All right, so DATS. No entries unless. Here, that's no entries unless close above 193. All right, so close above 193, then you can look for your entries. JFBR, let me have a look. This is a former runner, 47%, fantastic. So something like this is a very simple trade. You guys know the deal. There's a resistance, wait for the resistance to break. You're not going to buy here because it's coming down. You don't want to buy here because there's no real support. There's nothing going on. You are trading to make money and you are looking for the highest probability chance of you making that money. You buying down there is not the highest probability chance, probably the lowest probability chance. So wait for close above 0.515 for entries. And you can also see that there's I only have like 1 or 2 plays that are actually on my watches in terms of over $1. All of these other ones are all sub $1. I don't touch them. I don't trade them. I don't really like trading them. So that's why I avoid it. THAR, THAR, 161%. This is a very nice stock, something over $1. Great. We will see what happens. Now, am I going to buy this stock? No. Why? Because it's near the highest point of the day. I'll wait for a candle to close above here on the 1, 5 minute, 20 minute, 2 minute, whatever you desire. That is your safest entry point. Trying to buy now is not a good idea, okay? Because you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rejections. 7. If that is telling you that it is going to probably go down, then wait. Wait for a candle to close above 570. 570 for entries. All right, close above here, you'll be good. So everybody can watch this. Just have to wait 30 seconds. If this candle closes above, you can take your entry. If it does not close above, you do not enter. Simple as that. The way trading works and why a lot of people fail, I would say at least 90% fail, because look, I can tell you what to do, right? So let's put this in an example here. If I tell you to wait for 570 for a candle to close above, I bet you out of the 50 people we have here, I bet you 45 people will try and enter now because they want to get in early, because they think it will go up, and because they want to get in before everyone else. That is why they will enter now, and it will go down, and then they will start crying and they'll try and buy more and more and more and average down and all these things. When the other disciplined traders waited for the candle to close above and it never closed above, and if that's not the case, then they don't need to enter, right? That is called discipline. There's a huge difference there. So that is why you need to wait. So that is why just wait, because a lot of new traders would have probably bought now, and look, it's coming down. right? And they start to freak out. Oh, I knew I should have waited. I knew I should have waited. Like, why? I'm literally telling you what you need to do and you still won't follow it. You know, that's what blows my mind in trading, which is quite strange. I'm literally telling you how to make money, but people think they know, so they're going to do something else. You know, that's kind of how it is. Good morning. When do you know when to decide on the wicks of the candle, determine resistance level, other lines of drawing? I just draw from the body. I don't draw from the wicks. I use the body, the highest point of the body. If there's a green and red one, I'll draw a body. How many times when the 5-minute closes above VWAP, then suddenly reverses hard? Why is it? Seems algorithm manipulation. I'm not too sure, to be honest. Closes above VWAP gives a good indication the price will go up. It rarely does reject it. I mean, if it closes above, it rarely goes straight down. You can at least get 3 to 5% if it does close above, in my opinion. Kraken, 5%, $1. Nothing on Kraken for me. Nothing, absolutely nothing. No volume, don't really care. QUBT. Overall, the chart is bullish, so we'll draw something like this. Right, trend is bullish. As long as it holds this, if it doesn't break this low, then you're fine. You have now a 5-minute time frame. There is not much volume. So yeah, right now nothing. It's maybe pushing to fill this wick at 165. But yeah, as long as it stays in this trend, you're fine. Steady uptrend. All right, so that's all I can tell you. Steady uptrend. You have a wick fill to 165. Volume will get it up there. No volume will come down. ENSC, what's my take on this? All the plays that I had on my watch list for pre-market earlier, pretty much all of them come down. Every single one of them, except I think STI or one of them. But yeah, very, very weak pre-market. We'll see how things do work out for the rest of the day. But for me, nothing on this. Look, obviously it's in a downtrend. Am I going to enter now? No. You have 0.5 as your big psychological level. Right now, the stock is doing what? So for the last 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 3, 4, 5. So for the last like 2 hours, basically, or we can even just look here. For the last 2-3 hours, this thing has just been ranging like this. There is no reason for me to be entering this. I don't know what's happening. I can tell you one thing, and that's a good thing, is that it is finding an area of support. We can see now that since for the last 2 hours, it's held 0.47. So if it holds us into open, there's a high probability it can go up. If I'm looking for an entry, maybe a candle close above 0.5, but it is ranging a lot. It's very difficult to trade something like that. STI, yeah, STI, nothing on this. I would wait for a candle to close on this here. This is what I mentioned to members in the Discord. Close above here, then you can look for your entry. No close above, no entry. So that's what you have here. These are your key levels I have. These are larger time 4-hour key levels. So STI, wait for 0.63. You'll see a lot of my charts, I'll tell you to wait. I'll literally tell you what you need to do. I'll say wait for a close above here, wait for the break, wait for this, wait for that. It means wait. All you have to do is wait. Just wait. Wait for close above 0.63. You need confirmation. You cannot just enter because you want to enter. Yes, you could probably try and enter now if you want to, but for me, there's not enough confirmation. You have falling wedge here. You have possibly an area of support, demand zone. Yeah, it looks all right. Present, boss man. Did you just see that THAR? THAR, yeah, I see it. Close above 570 is entries. Not now. Look, see, people were trying to enter. So look, those who tried to buy here, they're down now. They were down 12%. So I would have been out a long time ago, even if I had to take this trade for some reason. I'm out at 3 to 5%, but you can see people are down 12% now, and now they're shaking and freaking out, and they're trying to buy more and more and more because they hope it's going to go up. That is not how you trade. There was no confirmation of anything and no reason to enter this at all. That's why I say, wait for a close above 570. If it closes above 570, you have all the way up. You here, you're coming all the way down. You see the difference? You want to buy, you want to make money, wait for the confirmation. No, I did not trade it. Yes, like up the stream. Let's go, let's go. Let me retweet it right here. But you'll see when the market's hot, obviously Twitter and everything's active. When it's not, people go in hibernation. It makes me laugh though. But soon people understand. When people start to understand, especially my members, they know. I bring them back to reality and I tell them how it is. And then they learn. They are forced to learn how to trade. 10% target. Insane amount of people who pay attention to Ollinger. Are you ready for the quiz questions today, Eric? Eric, are you ready? Eric, I'm very disappointed with not knowing what the candle close above is, but there's a seminar coming soon. Very, very soon. Good morning. ASPI done for the day, or does it have room? ASPI, it's up 53%. And how, so what is your reasoning? So you probably said, is it done for the day because it came down, 9%. That is not how stocks work. Before you even started trading, you saw a chart and they do this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Let the stock come down. It's up 55%. Relax. I don't know if it's done for the day, but I can tell you that it's very bullish because there's a higher probability it will continue to go up, right? Then go down. You have a strong, strong trend here. It looks very good. Would I enter now? No. I would wait for maybe a candle to close above here, right? Or you can wait for a candle to close above 9.23. Up to you. I personally would wait for a close above 9.23. That will give you a higher probability chance of it going up. So that is the only entry point that I would consider. Anything else? Nothing. Anything under here? I don't care. Above? Okay. Which website do you follow for the volume tracking? How do you find which one is the volume? I use this one here. It's free of charge. I just add these to my top gainers. These all have volume. I don't look at the amount of volume because I don't care, because all these are top gainers and they do have the volume. I can see by looking at price action and the charts and the candlesticks if there's a lot of volume or not. Example, low volume, look at the size of these candles, high volume, low volume, high volume. The larger the body of the candle, the higher the volume. As simple as that. If you want to get into the numbers, you can just use the volume indicator, which is called VOL, V-O-L. V-O-L. Same question with TAR. Thanks for noticing. What up, Eric, bro? Thoughts on Crow? Crow is getting pumped. It was getting pumped the other week as well. Absolutely nothing on this. There is low volume, nothing on this for me. If you look at the stock overall, I would tell everyone to leave this thing alone. I don't care if there's news coming or whatever it is, but for me, looking at this current state of this chart, there is an absolute zero chance I would buy it. ENSC. Yeah, I think I just want to be ENSC. Closes above 0.5 maybe, yes. Made 20% on JFBR and THAR. Wow, great job. STI. STI looking good. Still needs to hold here. You have demand zone. Not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Demand zone, demand zone. All right, demand zone. So we have possibility. There's a higher probability this will go up, then go down. You are in a bullish reversal pattern. You found some support here. Demand zone, yeah, looks good. Just needs volume to get going, man. STI, there's news today. Yeah, I saw the news. Some like 5-minute charger or something. Doge. I don't trade crypto, bro. Yeah, Doge broke out as I literally drew the chart for the Doge traders. Falling wedge does not lie. Yeah, I don't know when I last drew this chart. It was a long time ago because this is a weekly chart. I probably drew it around here like 3-4 a month ago. Listen to him. Patience, grasshopper. Patience, patience, patience. Some pump and dump exposure was replying to your tweet. Which guy, John? Let me know. I get a lot of people like, well, just traders in general, like try and tag me with other people. I just leave the conversation. When people message me with other people, I don't really care. You'll see I really just keep myself to myself on Twitter. Apart from those stupid bots under my account. TWG, TWG, TWG. For me, TWG, just look at the chart. Absolutely nothing. That's my honest truth. Nothing. QUBT, I just went over this one. Low volume at the moment, but just steady uptrend. 1 o'clock New Zealand, what up, brother? What up? Get some rest, man, get some rest. Yeah, clocks change on 2nd November in the US, I think. And that's when the clocks will change for me, so I'll be on from an hour later, technically. I do now, yes, watch over. There we go, that's it, Eric. Yes, submit. Thanks for the explanation, it's very clear and helpful understanding when I go into. Nice, well done. Just teaching you patience. You will see the difference. Even if you just try and wait for that 5 minutes to close above, or 10 minutes, 1 minute, whatever, right? Whatever you choose, right? It's a lot better than understanding why you're getting in and only doing that setup than trying to just get in because you think and you want to because someone else said it and that. Try and just get in for one reason and focus on that, and that's it. MBLY, this one's alright. It's kind of weird. Bit of a weird one. I think it's a larger float, right? It's $13 at the moment. I'm not too sure, but these are your levels here. MBLY needs 30 break above. And the main reason why, okay, the main reason why you always have to wait for this to break above is because if it breaks a resistance, there is a higher probability to go up. That is it. That is it. But if you're going to enter here, you have this in the way and there's a high probability to reject like it has. Candle close above, you have a range up. Your motions here are all over the place. Above here, you'll have a lot more confidence. You understand? That's how it is. You want to have your mind and ease the motions. Ease the motions. These are your levels for Fubo. This thing's slow. But I'm feeling good about today. I really like to... I really like when the market's like this because it just teaches me a lot more patience and I just have to be even more disciplined with my trade setups. Jobby, absolute trash. Eesh, nasty. Yeah, Jobby, nothing on this, unfortunately. Jobby, wait for close above 534. So why did I choose 534? I chose 534 because this is the most recent area of resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejection. I'm not going to do here, right? Because this has more touches. The more touches, the more confirmation. Whether ChatGPT says the more touches is the weaker side of support resistance, for me, I focus and all I say is if there is more touches for me, from my experience, the stronger the resistance. Bivy, you're in a no trade zone. I know it's up 17%, but this was the trade that we were talking about yesterday, remember? 328 break. All right. So look, this is what we were talking about yesterday. Remember, no trade zone. You do not trade inside of the zone. No need. Look, because if it comes up here, it's probably going to come down. I see that it's running. Yes, all good and well. Fantastic. I will keep it on my watch list. Doesn't mean I'm going to buy it. No. That's also one thing people need to understand. New traders, you need to understand this. Because something is on my watch list, okay, it doesn't mean I'm going to buy it. It doesn't mean I'm going to buy it when the market opens. It doesn't mean pre-market opens because of this and because of that. I'm only putting these plays on my watch list because I am watching them. I'm not buying them. If they give me a setup, maybe into open, then I will. For example, something like this. I have built my watch list for open. Now, all of these plays, I will see. Maybe out of the 10 of these plays, maybe only 2 of them will give me a setup. So I'll remove the others, focus on the 2 plays. And if those 2 plays give me a setup, I'll look for my entry. If they don't, they don't. That is it. You do not just buy them because they're on the watch list. People need to understand that, especially new traders. You need to understand that. A watch list does not mean buy. You will see everyone on Twitter, all these furus putting, this is on my watch list, 500 of those plays on their watch list, and then one of them run, they go, boom, 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 I see, I told you. Like, there was no reason for it. They just had it on their watch list. It means nothing. I have my plays that I put on watch list. I give you guys 3 on Twitter, right? I share the probability setups that I like for the next day, and I explain where I would look for possible entries. It doesn't mean they're going to run. It's just possible setups and gets me ready for the next day, right? That's it. I don't trade where I look for plays from yesterday and I try and buy them before. The way I trade is I open up the pre-market top gainers every single day. I add them to my watch list. They are all the highest probability plays, and I focus on that. I don't look and try and do the DD on any plays. I don't care about the plays in terms of the news, the stock, the company, nothing. All these companies, I don't even know what they do. I don't care about the news. Whether this one had the 5-minute charges in 5 minutes, the battery, or if Tesla bought them out, if it's cured cancer, anything, I don't care. It doesn't mean anything. I've known over the years that news is nothing. It doesn't mean anything. It gives me the volume. The volume is what gives me the technical trade setups. That is it. So if you tell me about this short squeeze and all this kind of shit, I don't care. For me, I don't care. I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking at the price action. If it gives me my technical indication, then I'll enter yes. Of course, looking at the no shorts available and things like that, RSI oversold, MACD crossover, all this bullish diversions, all this Bollinger Bands, all that stuff, it works fantastic for other traders. Maybe it gives them a good indication, but for me, I don't like to use that. It's too complicated. It's always lagging. It takes a lot of time to even try and get into those trades by the time everything plans out perfectly. So I just don't use it. All I use is VWAP. That's my only indicator I use, and the rest is just simple price action. That's it. That is it. Chart patterns, support and resistance, and then a couple confluences here and there. That's it. But I don't look at the news. Like Bivy, I don't even care about the news. You'll see. When someone tells me about the news, I say, great, thank you. That's it. Because if you're going to look at the news and you saw something charges something in 2.2 seconds and you're like, why the hell is this thing not up 500,000%? You start getting annoyed and you put your whole account in it, right? Doesn't mean anything. Anyways, that is my rant over. SGBX. SGBX. What's happening here? SGBX is moving up 18%. Cool. Added to watch list. Former runner. Very nice. Now, in a situation like this, we have a resistance at 132, right? 132 is where we've had the most rejections around this level. These aren't the many. We have only got one touch here, but I've just done this for the sake of it because I know if it closes above here, we have high probability to go up. Trying to enter now, in my opinion, is not worth it. I would simply just wait and keep it on watch and see if it can close above this 132. All right. As you acquire pre-market potential risk, yeah, no shorts. Does that mean short squeeze open? Just trying to learn, no shorts available. Yes, correct. Just look at the short percentage as well. You can look at the short percentage. The higher the short percentage or short flow percentage on FinFizz, you can look. Usually it's delayed though, but yes, there's a high probability it will squeeze and all those things. But for me, I don't really look at it too much, to be honest with you. If something's squeezing, I'm probably trading it because it's got the volume and everything. Obviously, people want to try and get in before the news and all that, but it's not really my style. I don't trade like that. How do you find your watch list? I just went over it. I just add my top gainers. All the top gainers from pre-market, here are all of them on the left-hand side. Some of them are from yesterday, day before. These are all the top gainers. I add them to my watch list. Out of all of these, maybe 2 are holding to open. I'll follow them and I'll trade those. That's it. That's how I make my watch list. Every single day. There are news plays. Every single day there's stocks that have news, earnings, technical breakouts, whatever it is, cats lists, right? Those have the volume. Those are the ones that I trade. So this saves me time. That website saves me time doing the DD because of the news and all this stuff. I don't care. I know they're up because they have one of those things, and that's all I care about. So that is the way I trade. I don't do any more DD and stuff. I tried to do it before, but I don't do it anymore. Bivy, just whatever. Yeah, several rejections. I thank you, confirm. Coin's a good play long term, in my opinion. Bitcoin's bullish, so this is obviously going to follow. You have a big resistance here, 271. You've broken this high here, so it looks like there's a higher probability this will go up as well. If you close above 220 end of week, you should be good to continue up. And Bitcoin will probably run over the weekend as well with elections and all that. INTC, this is a swing in the Discord. I am going to be selling this because we have earnings soon. But I expect it to break out. I just don't hold plays through earnings. Yeah, will not be holding through earnings. It's Sunday, yeah. All right, coin, yeah, there's coin INTC, ENSC broke 0.5. Cool, so does everybody understand this? Guys, like I tell you every single day, I hope there's one person who actually listens and has ears during these sessions, because I'm giving you guys literally this free education, right? I'm literally getting free education, giving you free money, literally. I can tell you right now what you needed to do, and you all know what you needed to do. This candle close, you enter on the next candle. That is your entry candle. It is up 10%. 10% from where you entered. So whoever got in, well done. If you didn't, learn and understand what you needed to do. Press 1 if you do not understand what you needed to do for ENSC. I want to see this so I can explain it for the very last time today so you can understand. But everybody had no excuse not to get into this trade. Zero excuses. Unless you're first day trading or you just joined today on the live trading, then fair enough. But all of you, I know, see all of your names there, and I can see they're all very familiar. You should all know exactly what you needed to do on this trade. So press 1 if you did not know what you needed to do. That's it. I want to see. I will wait. I will wait here for you guys and see. I will be here waiting. So let's see. Be honest, it's fine. So press 1 if you do not know what you needed to do on this play. Nice. Right, so it kind of seems that everybody knows and knew what to do, and a lot of people traded it. So well done. All right, I know there's one person here who doesn't know and they're scared. So I will tell you, and this, please listen to this. Save this recording, go back to it and listen to it every single day until you understand. Or you can join the Discord because I go over this. All right, you choose. 0.5 is a resistance level. This is a big psychological level. A psychological level is 0.5, 0.55, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. $1, $1.25, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180. You get the gist, right? Now, you needed, as I always say, when you have a situation like this, when I draw the line and a candle needs to close above, do you remember this, right? The candle needs to close above. That gives you confirmation of a breakout. That gives you confirmation there is a higher probability the stock will go up. If the stock keeps rejecting like this and keeps going down, 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 you do not enter. The body of the candle needs to close above. What happened here? This candle over here closed above. We can all see that clear as day, right? Candle closed above. Once that closes above, what happens? Continues to go up. Once this closes, you enter on the next candle, bang, up. You can use the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute, whatever you choose. But that is a simple, easy, very easy setup. You can take that for the rest of your life 100 times and you'll be profitable, guaranteed, with the correct risk management strategy. It's as simple as that. ENSC, your resistance levels are here. 0.575, 0.575. I just round them up to psychological numbers. 0.575, you have here 0.62, 0.627. So yeah, these are your next levels, and then you can even put this high here. 6.6. So these are your levels, right? Closes above here, high probability to go up. Doesn't close above here, probably come down. That's it. But well done for those who got in. Fantastic job. Right, we have 32 likes. Let's get more. Let's get more. Let's get more. Sorry, let me see. ASPI, Bivy, yes. Respect, 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 respect. ASPI closed above, higher probability to go up. Did you give STI yet? Sorry, yes, I did. STI, it's looking okay. The volume's not really there for me personally. I would wait for 0.63, but in intraday, I would have been in this trade already. GLYC, this one got rocked, I think. Yeah, GLYC down 11%. Looks like it's starting to try and reverse here. Your main resistance is 0.5585. GLYC resistance at 0.55. You can keep this on watch though. Former runner, it's always good to keep these on watch. Looks like it's trying to reverse. Yeah, just keep it on watch. I have so much stuff on my watch list, so I need to just start clearing it up in a minute. In a minute. If you spoke about MLG, I missed it. I did not speak about MLGO, but I will do it. MLGO is 4% up. What do I think about MLGO? I think it's in a downtrend. I don't think I would be entering this. Nope, nothing. Maybe if I had to take it, maybe downtrend, but I would personally wait for this level here. Close above here, you have clean range up. Break above here, you have range to like just 0.25, which isn't much. Listening, bro. Learn a lot from you. Great. Love to hear it. How about press like, you slackers? That's right, Robert. Take charge. Banked on the NSC. Well done. Kobe, legend. Kindly sign to my chat on. Turn it on. I gave the levels there. 7 likes. Appreciate it, mate. No worries. Lol, refresh. Did I miss DBGI? DBGI is here. 17%. For me, nothing on DBGI. Wait for 0.1410. All right. Close above that, you should be good. Nothing here, nothing. Look, downtrend, nothing, leave it. Let it bleed. 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 LACs. Has it still got the daily gap fill? Traded this yesterday. I think it was yesterday. LAC. LAC. I need to do an updated. Here, let me ask a question. Shall I do an updated YouTube video on my Weeble setup? On everything? Shall I? Patel has already asked. So let me know. What do you guys think? Shall I do it? STI here 0.61. There we go. There's the breakout. It actually hurt me. So intraday I would have made money. Now no, because I'm not in. But yeah, falling wedge. Discord members, you know this one. You know this one. You know it. You know it. You know this one, everyone. Everyone knows this. Falling wedge. Demand zone. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Gino said no. Okay, yes, I'll do it. Yeah, I'll do it. Weeble's good. If I had any affiliation with them, I'm not even affiliated with them, but I rave about them because I think they're great. I've never really had too many issues with it. Execution rate's good. So yeah, we'll see. But I recommend it to everyone, Weeble. Someone can drop their code if they want to. I don't really do it because someone else can take the free money or whatever. You guys can take it. I don't trade on it too much. I only trade pre-market. Yeah, I will do it. Just a quick one here. Look, this is how I do it. You go chart settings, then appearance, then just choose custom black. But you must turn your grid lines off. Look, I don't use grid lines, so it's just clean. And then it's just black. Black is just the color I have. Oh, Weeble's not in Europe. I know it's in UK though. What do you guys use? What do most of you guys use for trading in Europe? Curious. T212, I'm assuming. T212. Very nice on STI. Clean breakout on that. This one's coming down. What is this? ASPI. I'm gonna watch this one today because at least something moving. I'll do that one more time. Here. Let me just watch a star. Here, chart settings. Appearance. Dow trade. Try T212. Try it. I mean, that's what Hassi uses. He's in the UK though, but most people in our Discord use that. Or IBKR is good. I might be switching to them. Because my broker's like filling me weird prices. E-trade away phone. Yeah, I trade on my phone as well. I prefer it. Have you got it, Eric? Wait, T212 you can. T212 you can do pre-market. I just don't understand. Like, I don't know why there isn't just one broker for everyone in the whole world to use. I know there is. I know IBKR is probably the one, but just I don't know. Eric, what do you need help with, brother? Tell me, what do you need help with? ASPI is coming down. STI. Are you on the app or are you on the browser? You need to use the application, the Webull desktop. Yeah, how is Mumu? I don't know if they have it in Dubai. Such a weird name. Like, who's gonna call this trading broker Mumu? Mumu can, which is the Mumu? Oh, it's United States, Singapore, Australia, Japan, Canada, Malaysia. Mumu, its sister brand, have over 21 million users in North America and Asian markets. You got it? Did you get the grid? But I think you need to just download this one. It's better. This, it's less delayed as well. It takes 2 seconds. ENSC is back down because what goes up must come down. HOA, I like this one. Probably going to watch it since it's open. Not going to lie to you. I won't be trading it, but just for members. STBX, nothing for me on this. All right, cool. Yeah, download it. DBGI is trying to push up a little bit. Trying to. Right, anything before I go? Because I'm about to head to this West. Nope, nothing. Ooh, JFBR. JFBR's up there. We'll keep it on watch. Oh no, we have it here already. Okay, cool. All right, all of these on my watch list. SGBX, Bivy, Thar, ASPI. Thar's looking good into open. Let me just give the levels before I head out. This is moving up into open. Looks highest probability right now. Let's see what happens. All right, everybody, please make sure to use a stop loss today. That is your biggest thing. Use a stop loss. All right, so have a great day, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for joining in and tuning in. I hope you guys made some money on some plays or understood and learned some things. All right, have a fantastic evening, afternoon. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.